A woman is making $1,000 per month selling Notion templates. She created 5 templates. That's it. She hasn't updated them in months. A guy is making $300 per month from a vending machine. He refills it once a week. 30 minutes of work. Another person is making $500 per month renting out a parking space they don't use. Literally zero effort after the initial listing. These aren't sexy businesses. They're boring, repetitive, unsexy tasks that most people overlook. But they're making more than people's side hustles, and in some cases, more than people's actual jobs. In the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down 15 low-effort, boring tasks that can make you serious money. No get-rich-quick BS. Real numbers, real examples. These are tasks you set up once and earn from repeatedly. Let's go. Here's what you need to understand. The best side hustles aren't exciting. They're boring. No TikTok dances. No viral content. No personal brand required. Just mundane, repetitive tasks that generate cash while you sleep. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, 20% of U.S. households make passive income, with a median earning of $4,200 per year. That's not replacement income, but it's $350 per month. For most people, that covers groceries, gas, or utilities. And here's the key. These aren't full-time businesses. They're low effort. Set them up once, maintain them occasionally, earn continuously. In 2026, 28% of Americans have at least one passive income stream, up from 16% 5 years ago. People are waking up to this, and you should too. Today, I'm showing you 15 boring tasks that can make real money. Some require upfront work. Some require a small investment. All require minimal ongoing effort. Let's dive in. Task 1. Sell digital planners and templates, $500 to $5,000 per month. This is the easiest one to start. Create digital products once. Sell them forever. Planners, budgeting templates, fitness trackers, business forms, checklists. You make them in Canva, free tool. You sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Real example. A teacher selling lesson plan templates on Teachers Pay. Teachers earns $1,000 plus per month. Another example. A $7 planner selling 5 times per day equals $1,050 per month with automatic delivery. The setup: pick a niche, budgeting, fitness, business. Create 3 to 5 templates using Canva or AI tools list on Etsy or Gumroad. Promote on Pinterest or TikTok. Effort: medium upfront, 10 to 20 hours. Low ongoing, 1 to 2 hours per month. This is boring. You're not building a brand. You're solving a simple problem with a template. But it works. Task 2. Rent out a parking space. $100 to $300 per month. Do you have a parking space you don't use? Driveway, garage, extra spot? List it. Get paid. In urban areas like New York, rented parking spaces earn $300 plus per month. Even in smaller cities, $100 to $150 per month is common. Platforms, Spacer, JustPark, or even Craigslist. The setup: take photos of your space list on a parking marketplace, set your price. Approve renter's effort. 1 hour to set up, 0 ongoing effort. This is peak boring. You're literally renting empty space. But $100 to $300 per month adds up to $1,200 to $3,600 per year for doing nothing. Task 3. Create and sell an online course. $1,000 to $10,000 per month. But I don't have expertise. You know more than someone who's one step behind you. That's all you need. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi let you package knowledge into video modules. Real example. Someone creates a course on Excel for beginners. They film it once. It earns $2,000 per month for years. Another example, like a fitness course on bodyweight exercises. $1,500 per month passively. The setup: pick a skill you're good at. Film 10 to 20 short lessons, total 2 to 3 hours of content. Upload to Udemy or Teachable, set it and forget it. Effort, high upfront, 20 to 40 hours. Low ongoing, 0 to 2 hours per month. This is boring because you're teaching the same thing over and over, but your students are different each time. The course sells on repeat, you earn on repeat. Task 4, high yield savings account, 4 to 5% APY. This is the most boring one, and it's 100% passive. You put money in a high yield savings account, it earns 4 to 5% per year. Example, $10,000 at 4%. APY equals $400 per year. Zero effort. $50,000 at 4% equals $2,000 per year. Is this going to make you rich? No, but it's free money for doing nothing. Platforms: Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, American Express Savings. The setup: open account online, 10 minutes, transfer money. Watch it grow effort, 10 minutes to set up, 0 ongoing. This is so boring it hurts, but $400 per year is $400 per year. Task 5. Vending machine ownership, $300 to $2,000 per month per machine. This is the least sexy business on the planet, but people are making real money. You buy a vending machine, $2,000 to $5,000. You place it in a high-traffic location, office, gym, apartment complex. You restock it once a week. That's it. Cashless payments and smart vending tech mean you can track sales from an app. Real example: one vending machine in a good location equals $500 per month, profit after costs. Scale to 3 machines, $1,500 per month. The setup: buy a vending machine. Negotiate a location, gym, office, school. Stock it with snacks/drinks. Restock weekly, 30 minutes. Effort: medium upfront, finding location, setting up. Low ongoing, 30 minutes per week. This is boring. You're selling candy bars and chips, but $500 per month per machine is $6,000 per year, and it's scalable. Task 6. Rent out your car, $200 to $800 per month. If your car sits idle most days, why not rent it out? Platforms like Turo make this easy. Real example: someone rents out their car on Turo 10 days per month, earns $500 per month. Another example: high-end car rented out equals $800 per month. The setup: list your car on Turo, set your price and availability, approve renters, hand over keys or use keyless delivery. Effort: 2 to 3 hours to set up, 1 to 2 hours per month ongoing. The boring part: you're sharing your car with strangers. Insurance and photos required, but $500 per month equals $6,000 per year. That's a vacation fund right there. Task 7. Affiliate marketing blog, $500 to $10,000 per month. You write blog posts once. They earn money forever. Pick a niche, write SEO-optimized posts, add affiliate links. Real example: a travel blog with 20,000 monthly visitors earns $1,500 per month from ads and affiliate links. Another example: a tech review blog earns $3,000 per month from Amazon affiliate commissions. The setup: start a WordPress blog, Bluehost SiteGround, write 20 to 30 SEO posts on one topic. Add affiliate links, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, monetize with ads, Google AdSense, Mediavine. Effort: high upfront, 60 to 100 hours, low ongoing, 2 to 5 hours per month. This is boring because you're writing the same type of content repeatedly, but each post can earn for years. Compound traffic equals compound income. Task 8. Rent out equipment. You own $100 to $500 per month. Cameras, power tools, lawn equipment, DJ gear, designer handbags. If you own it and don't use it daily, rent it out. Platforms: Fat Llama, Kit Split for cameras, or even Facebook Marketplace. Real example: someone rents out photography gear, $300 per month. Another example: power tools rented out on weekends, $150 per month. The setup: list your unused items. Set rental prices, approve renters, hand over items with deposit. Effort, 2 to 3 hours to set up, 1 to 2 hours per month. Boring? Yes. You're renting tools, but you're earning from stuff collecting dust. Task 9, create and sell stock photos, $100 to $1,000 per month. Take generic photos, upload them, earn royalties forever. Woman working on laptop. Coffee on desk. Sunset over mountains. Cliché? Yes, but clichés. Pay platforms. Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock. Real example. A photographer uploads 500 photos, earns $300 per month in royalties. The setup, take 100 to 500 generic photos, upload to stock photo sites, earn royalties every time someone downloads effort. Medium upfront, 20 to 40 hours, 0 ongoing. This is boring. You're taking the same type of photo everyone needs, but once uploaded, they earn forever. Task 10. Self-publish an ebook, $200 to $3,000 per month. Write a book once. Sell it forever. Platforms: Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing: Apple Books, Kobo. Real example. A how-to ebook on budgeting for beginners earns $500 per month. Another example. A fiction novel earns $1,200 per month. The setup: write a 10,000 to 30,000 word ebook or hire a ghostwriter. Format it for Kindle upload to Amazon KDP. Set your price effort. High upfront, 40 to 100 hours, 0 ongoing. Boring because you're writing on one topic, but it sells on repeat. Task 11. YouTube ad revenue, $500 to $5,000 per month. Create videos once. Earn from ads forever. You don't need to be on camera. Screen recordings, voiceovers, stock footage all work. Real example. A channel making tutorial videos earns $1,000 per month from ads. The setup. Pick a niche. Finance, tech, productivity. Create 50 to 100 videos. Monetize with YouTube ads. Earn passively as views accumulate effort. High upfront, 100 plus hours. Low ongoing, 5 to 10 hours per month. Boring? Absolutely. Same format, same niche over and over. But once you hit monetization, old videos earn forever. Task 12. Dividend Stocks. $300 to $3,000 per month depending on investment. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Get paid quarterly. Real example. $50,000 invested in dividend stocks yielding 4% equals $2,000 per year, $166 per month. $100,000 at 5% equals $5,000 per year, $417 per month. The setup: open a brokerage account, Vanguard, Fidelity, Robinhood, buy dividend ETFs or stocks, VYM, SCHD. Reinvest dividends or take cash. Effort, 2 to 3 hours to set up, 0 ongoing. This is the definition of boring. You buy, you hold, you collect checks. But it's reliable income. Task 13. Rent out a spare room, $400 to $1,500 per month. Airbnb. Roommate, long-term tenant. Real example. Renting a spare room on Airbnb equals $600 per month. Another example. Long-term roommate equals $800 per month. The setup: list on Airbnb or Craigslist screen renters. Provide key access, collect payment effort, 3 to 5 hours to set up, 2 to 5 hours per month. Boring, living with strangers or hosting travelers, but $600 to $1,500 per month is real money. Task 14. Sell Notion templates. $300 to $2,000 per month. Notion is a productivity tool. People pay for pre-made templates, budget trackers, project managers, habit trackers, content calendars. Real example. Someone selling 5 Notion templates earns $1,000 per month. The setup: Create 3 to 5 Notion templates. List on Gumroad or Etsy. Promote on Twitter/TikTok. Effort: 10 to 20 hours upfront, 1 to 2 hours per month ongoing. Boring because you're making spreadsheets, but spreadsheets sell. Task 15. Settlement claims filing. $100 to $500 per month. File data breach and product recall claims. Companies settle lawsuits. You file claims, you get paid. Real example: filing 10 claims per month equals $200 to $500 depending on payouts. Platforms: ClassAction.org, TopClassActions.com. The setup: sign up for class action alerts. File claims 20 minutes each. Wait for payouts can take months. Effort: 5 to 10 hours per month, 0 upfront. This is the most boring task on the list: filing forms. But $100 to $500 per month for filling out paperwork? Easy money. All right, let's recap the 15 low-effort, boring tasks that can make more than your job. 1. Sell digital planners/templates, $500 to $5,000 per month. 2. Rent out a parking space, $100 to $300 per month. 3. Create and sell an online course, $1,000 to $10,000 per month. 4. High-yield savings account, 4 to 5% APY 5. Vending machine ownership, $300 to $2,000 per month per machine. 6. Rent out your car, $200 to $800 per month. 7. Affiliate marketing blog, $500 to $10,000 per month. 8. Rent out equipment you own, $100 to $500 per month. 9. Create and sell stock photos, $100 to $1,000 per month. 10. Self-publish an ebook, $200 to $3,000 per month. 11. YouTube ad revenue, $500 to $5,000 per month. 12. Dividend stocks, $300 to $3,000 per month. 13. Rent out a spare room, $400 to $1,500 per month. 14. Sell Notion templates, $300 to $2,000 per month. 15. Settlement claims filing, $100 to $500 per month. Here's the bottom line: you don't need a sexy business, you need a boring one. These tasks aren't exciting, they're repetitive, they're mundane, but they work. Pick one. Set it up. Maintain it minimally. Earn continuously. Stack 3 to 4 of these? You could be making $2,000 to $5,000 per month in passive income. That's not retirement money, but it's freedom money. Stop chasing viral content. Stop building personal brands. Start doing boring tasks that pay. If this gave you ideas, smash that like button, subscribe for more income strategies, and drop a comment. Which boring task are you starting first? I'll see you in the next one. Now go make boring money. Peace.